size and gas. That noise you can hear is not the shower farting, but people farting.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to our channel. I am Susi Kruger and John Kruger. That is the first time in my life.
She likes playing with the whippersnapper now.
That is my husband just taught me this morning how to use the weed eating machine.
I did a bit of quick poison, nothing big, not a big deal.
That is, we have to work for ourselves. It's difficult to find workers to help us in this suburb.
It is not difficult, it is impossible. So you don't look, you don't ask, you don't try. If something falls in your lap, you reckon God sent it, but the chances of finding someone are really remote. And that they'd be any good would even be more difficult.
That is, God give a lifespan of human being. After that, we jump in the pool. สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะทุกท่าน In the morning we have been working about maybe 1 hour. After that we jump in the pool and then we stay in.
We do, we don't go out again. We hope to get the car back this week.
Yes, they promised us the car will be finished the end of this week.
Well, I always hope and ask and enjoy subscriptions when they occur, and it would be a great assistance to us. But it's time for me to say goodbye. See
Thank
you.
you for subscribe. Have a lovely day.
Yeah, or send cash if you don't want to subscribe. Bug you.
Take